This is day 9 of my ongoing 90 days trading challenge. Aigi mapan suba numit 29 of September 2022. Numit sigi aina logiba trade singi trade review. The market opened with a gap up of around 150 points in Nifty and around 450 points in Bank Nifty. Degi songkalaga hogre. Nifty ju previous days degi sida songkala hogre. However, Nifty as well as Bank Nifty opened right into the selling zone of previous day. Previous day gi sigi selling zone sidagi market is fine ki and givenina is selling zone supply zone ne ko ne lowani ba. Bank Nifty gi oina for Bank Nifty this is a supply zone. From here the market gave a sharp selling from this area. So this is a strong selling zone of Bank Nifty, this area. So between Nifty and Bank Nifty, comparatively Nifty was showing a weaker character. The first candle was ended with a doji. However, for Bank Nifty it was closing with a strong green candle. So I was not confident to go short in Bank Nifty. Rather, I was looking for any shorting opportunity in Nifty for this day. So aina sida Nifty da waina makha changnaba yengiba opportunity kaigino matamda Bank Nifty di Nifty ge yengnabda kanna uyeba. Second 5-minute candle got rejected right from this selling zone. The candle she inverted hammer ama sida form tawre si ko dudagi ai haujibokte sida trade changri because it was still above my 20 EMA. I 20 EMA ki mathakta leragadi makha gi trade changchinde. I was waiting for a close below my 20 EMA or rather other opportunities. This is Pungsigi 5-minute candle ki low checker matamda break tawge matam sida 955 ta break tawgreba. It was a strong candle closing below my first candle low. Sida P ba. Sida supi adubu sida P ba matamdadi it was still way above my 20 EMA. So there was a chance of possible reversal from this 20 EMA. Sidagi amkong lakoi chance laimina jangsin dereba. However, sigi timing sidadi it was showing an M pattern. This was showing an M pattern. M pattern is sida complete hoigareba. So my M pattern is completed at this particular time 9:55. So I entered my short trade at this. Although it was still above my 20 EMA, the M pattern is complete overvanina. I have entered my short trade here at 9:55, keeping my stop loss here above this swing high. See areas the stop loss tame the short trade and I have booked my profit at around 10:50 AM. The book tawagi logic si karino matamda at around 10:50 AM. The sigi particular reason sida Bank Nifty was showing a consolidation for around half an hour and then it broke away from this consolidation area and closed above this swing high. See swing high si matakta strong candle ma si close tawgreba adu 9 wakanda sidagi reversal laaga si box chatkani habagi concept amaingon lagreba. I thought that market would rally from here till the day's high. That's why I closed my trade here with a very small profit. However, I took a long trade again in Bank Nifty. This is in a breakout to A and can give a long trade among Changchin Grave and a Mataki plan of Changchin Grave, keeping my stop loss below this swing low. However, right next candle 1, 2, 6 second candle did I give long trade just the stop loss here. My stop loss was hit in this particular trade. And in Nifty at this particular time market was closing below this sigi swing. This was a support area which I had marked for this day since it was consolidating around this area. Sida market se kumthara abanina sigi swing area se kaitara sida kumthara kareba at this around 11:10 AM here around 11:10 AM. So the Bank Nifty dasu sigi swing support zone sidagi kaitara kre. Nifty dasu sigi 20 EMA gi amakhada ju closing pi gre ba si. So at this particular time I sorted in Nifty again, keeping my stop loss above the swing high, and then I close my position at 12 PM. Logic behind this trade is that at this particular time at around 12 PM, as you can see here, Bank Nifty was coming close to its support area, or rather the previous day's close. Haidi sigi gap se, sigi satkiba gap se, sigi fill to way yokselakreba swaida pung barota matamda sida. Yokselakribni na sidagi amuk there's a possibility of reversal from this previous day's close. Previous day ki close areas de si gap satkibni na sigi area se yawa gap se fill to amaga si reversal amuk lakani. Haibagi potential se swaina la amaga by the wrong swaina amuk satkibagi chance la ibani na. I had closed my position in Nifty as soon as the market was coming close to its Bank Nifty's previous day's close. Bank Nifty and Nifty always goes in tandem most of the time, 90%. Ani je mana na dum chale Bank Nifty na kumaga na Nifty kumi, Bank Nifty karaju Nifty ka. Aduna Bank Nifty na sidai kakhala ga di Nifty ji ju kakhala pa yabagi chance le gani na I sida close ta ukreba. And my third trade for this day was taken at around 1:40 PM. Why I took a trade here is this is the previous day's close, which I had marked as a potential support area for this particular day. Sigi area sida matam kuina sigi mapkha sida dum sustain tawraga leirakhreba. Market has been sustaining well below this area for quite a few times, and once it came close near this 20 EMA, I took my short trade here, keeping my stop loss above this particular region. However, although the market rallied a bit, I was taking a bit more risk on this particular day as it was on Thursday expiry. Sida si leina aigi stop loss usually sigi swing high mathasida thamgadu boy taragasu aina sigi swing high sibo ngak ngaiba. Laigino tam the Thursday expiry obnina ngak rally to wagi mamando kakhalu taragasu market lengo matamda premium dikesi am thuna tumbangina ai sida ngak ngaire unfortunately market came down again here, and then I booked my profit as soon as market started to recover from here again. Aduduna market si sibo kumaha matungda swaidam kakhat paupana sida book to ko, and then I made a good profit of around 7,000 on this particular day. Actually I made around 7,300, but after tax deduction I got around 6,924. So the mistakes that I made on this particular day was that in this particular first trade which I took in Nifty, I shouldn't have exited my trade here. Because it hasn't broken any particular swing high in this day. Nifty ki oina di, although it had broken the swing high in this Bank Nifty, it hasn't broken any swing high in Nifty. Haibdi sidagi M pattern ama swaina form tawre matungda sida swing high ama leire. Si swing high sigi lower low ne ba semai ji swaina ama leire. Sidagi swaina sidagi si tawre sidagi si komme sidagi si swing high ama semai si swaina ama kumere. Then si swing high, lower high level, so I know kuba. ID si high si amakhada, si high si leira, si high si amakhada si. ID this high and a lower high here, and then a high which is lower than the previous high. So I Dow theory ki si selling I shouldn't have exited my trade here because I should have held on my position unless this previous high is broken. However, with my logic from this Bank Nifty, I should have trailed my position at this swing high and kept it intact. So then see Nifty was showing a very good day as it kept on going with a lower high formation till a very late hour. See, sidagi si leire sidagi swing lower high lower high lower high swing toro sum I trailing toro ga chatlam ba yabane. So this is what I could have learned from this particular day. That's all for today, for this day. That's something that I could learn from this day, and which people who are watching this video can learn from this particular trick.